Hello friends, if you were asked what is the antifungal drug which is used in the treatment of Cushing syndrome. Okay, antifungal drug used in the treatment of Cushing syndrome is one, that is ketoconazole is the antifungal drug which is used in the treatment of Cushing syndrome. This ketoconazole is potent and non-selective inhibitor of adrenal and gonadal steroid synthesis. It is potent and non-selective inhibitor of adrenal and gonadal steroid synthesis. It is used in Cushing syndrome mainly for symptomatic control only. One more important thing is it is used at a dose higher than that used for fungal infections. If you are using ketoconazole for fungal infections, you will use in a lower dose, and if you are using it for Cushing syndrome, you will use it in higher dose. So this is about ketoconazole. Thank you for watching.